Hello, my name is Terry Dobson, and APU is where I first entered God's story. I'm originally from England. I recently came to faith after a lifetime career in the entertainment industry designing theme parks as a Walt Disney Imagineer. I have an MFA in graphic design from Yale University and 6 awards over 20 years for Disney. I was inaugurated into Disney's Inventors Club in 2006 and won a patent for Disney's first massively multiplayer online theme park called Virtual Magic Kingdom. I now teach art and design students at Azusa Pacific University. One of my favorite accomplishments while I was at Disney was to become the creative director for the Millennium Village Pavilion at Epcot Center. This brought together 50 or more countries under the same roof to be able to share their stories and gifts to the world, and it won the Thea Award, which is the themed entertainment industry equivalent of the Academy Awards. As a former theme park designer and game maker for Disney, I now integrate these experiences into my class projects. We seek to prepare visionary servants through critical and creative engagement who impact community and culture as practicing designers. At APU's College of Music and the Arts, we encourage creatives to follow their calling as both visionary servants and independent design thinkers.